Latest Chica Donay Pangilinan shared that he doesn't believe in a perfect marriage, saying the strongest relationship are built on genuine friendship and mutual admiration. He described couples who feel like best friends as the real goal, highlighting the importance of actually liking each other. Said niya, this is a corny answer, but people who seem like best friends. Dagdag pa ng aktor, my relationship is the thing that I keep most sacred. I try my best to keep it as private as possible. We both feel very strongly that it's the healthiest way to move on as a couple. Saad pa niya sa isang interview, he reinforced that love alone isn't enough without companionship. Saad niya, it's always nice to see two people that really like each other as well as love each other.